If you use Brave browser, consider to watch this from beginning to the end and see how to split screen in Brave browser. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Brave browser. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is open up your Brave browser. After you open up your Brave browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this three slider, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply head over to extensions right here, then go to visit web store. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on extensions right here. Then come to the search extension and type in split. Then what you need right here is to simply click on tab resize. Click on that. Then it's going to open up like so. As at the time of making this video, 1 million users are using this extension. You can scroll down here and read detail about the extensions, just like what you see right here. And you can also check out some of the review from the previous user. So once you are done with everything right here, come to the top right here, click on add to Brave. Then click on add extension. Now we have successfully added split screen layout has been added into our Brave browser, just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do here is to click on this plus sign right here. So next thing we want to do here is to come to the extensions right here, right click on it. So we make sure we click on the extensions right here, and this is going to pop up. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on pin right here. And once we pin it, it's going to be found right here. Next thing we want to do is to make sure and see how we can use this particular extension to split screen in our Brave browser. So let's find out. The next thing you need to do at the top right here, make sure you click on this icon, and this is going to pop up. Please read before using. You can read the terms of using this particular extension. Click on I understand. Then right here, click on let go. So you have it right here. So these are different options by which you can use to split your screen, such as into 4 or into 2 or into 2 right here or right here. So everything depends on what exactly you want to, how you want to do it. So create a custom layout. You can click on here and create a custom layout. Everything depends on you. So it's that simple. So we can simply come back right here again and then choose which of the layouts we want. So let's try and see this 2 by 2 right here. So you can see we are able to split our screen into 4. So I'm going to simply click on here again. Let's try this particular one right here. So we are able to split our screen into 2, just like what you see right here. Just like what you see right here. So we can simply make another search right here. Let's say, for instance, we want to look for Facebook right here. So we're going to search for Facebook results right here. And also, we can use this particular second tab right here to search for another thing. So if you want to switch to another tab, we can simply click on this particular icon right here. Then you have more layouts right here. So if you want to go back to your default, simply click on 1 by 1, or better still, simply click on close all the tab. Then you can use this plus sign right here to create a custom setting of tab. It's that simple as that. So basically, this is how to split your Brave browser without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.